What's going on, guys? CodeXpert here, and we are back with yet another amazing tutorial series. And this time we are going to build an AI agent like ChatGPT for your own website or for your own business. And we are going to do that without any coding. So if you own any business or you provide software services to your clients, or if you're looking to any project to work on AI, then this is the perfect tutorial series for you. So you can see that we have on this sample food sprint delivery application, and I have typed a few queries there, and it is giving really nice responses. And if I click on order now, then it will ask me for my name, and let's put like something like this. So let's my name is John, and my contact is 9999988888. All right. And you can see that my order has been placed, and it says that our executive will get in touch with you soon. If you need anything else, please feel free to ask. So this is the kind of agent that we are going to build. And now if you go into your mail, you can see that your order will be received like this. All right. So this kind of agent we are going to build in this tutorial series. And we are going to build this without writing a single line of code. And you can embed it onto your website, or if you have a Discord server or a WhatsApp business, then you can integrate into the multiple platforms. And it's going to be really exciting, guys, because AI is going to be the next future, and using AI for your business will really help you. And I will show you in a moment why it is helpful. So let's get started. We are going to go to the VAKX.io, and this is the platform that we are going to use for this tutorial series. All right. So it's a really nice platform for building your AI applications. You can go to the studio here. We will go to the studio in a moment, but let's scroll down, and you can see that it has a really nice feature for cost efficiency with VAKX AI. And you can see that how you can save the money by using the VAKX AI. So if you hover into it, it says that a human customer service agent costs $4.42 per conversation. And on the contrary, VAKX AI can handle as little as $0.0 per conversation, assuming that every conversation has 20 queries, right? And if you slide down this slider, you can see that how much money your business can be saved by just using this many queries per month. All right. And also you have higher CVR conversion rate for your clients, because your clients are getting real-time service from the AI. Let's move on. Here are the three simple steps that are given for building AI application on VAKX. So step 1 is prepare your data, step 2 is build your chatbot, and step 3 is integrate into your app. So we are going to follow these steps. And if you scroll down further, you have a nice little section over here. You can learn the chatbot development by starting these tutorials as well. And let's scroll down, and if you want to try the AI assistant for VAKX, then you can just click on this button over here and start chatting with their AI. All right. Also, you can see that you have multiple integration options over here. You can integrate the AI into website, API, Discord, or WhatsApp, right? And many more integration options are coming soon from this platform. So without further ado, let's start building our AI application. All right. So I want to just give you some references for this tutorial here, and from the next tutorial onwards, we will start building our AI application. So if you click on this docs link over here, you can see that it has a nice wiki for the VAKX Studio, and there are two sections actually. One is VAKX Studio and one is VAKX Tool. So if you go into the VAKX Studio, you will have all of the studio related information over here, and we will cover that into the next few tutorial series. For now, let's go into the VAKX tool over here. And if you go into the tutorials and basic AI agent tutorial, so this is the tutorial that we are going to follow in this tutorial series, and I will link down this tutorial into the description below. You can anyway refer to this tutorial anytime. All right. And if you are also willing to partner with VAKX, then go to this partner with VAKX and try to understand what they have over here. They have also AI assistant over here. So if you have any queries, you can just type over here and get the real-time support from the AI. And last but not least, if you are really into AI application development and want to learn more about how AI works and how LLMs work, then there is a section over here called LLM orchestration, and you can there's a nice different things covered over here. So foundations of LLM orchestration and prompt engineering, and what is RAG and data preprocessing, vector embeddings. All of these things are covered over here. So it's a really nice documentation over here, guys. And if you are really into the AI development, then please go over to this to brush up your concepts and how AI is actually working. All right. The next one, the next reference that we are going to cover is if you're into AI research and want to know exactly how the AI is working right now. So let's go to the openai.com and go to research over here, and they have their latest advancements over here. So you can go into all of the different models over here. For example, OpenAI O1, and look into all of the different things over here like evals and chain of thought processing and all of these things. So we are not going to cover all of these things in this tutorial series. We will have another technical tutorial series to cover all of these research-based concepts. But in this tutorial series, we will move forward with developing our AI application. The last reference that I want to show you in this tutorial is artificial intelligence analysis. All right. So this is the website that we are on, artificialanalysis.ai, and you can choose the model of your choice, and then go scroll down over here, and you can see that they have nice little comparisons over here with the different matrices. So I'm not going to cover all of these things. This is just for your reference, and we are instead going back to the VAKX.io and start building our application. So let's start now. I will click on the start building for free here, and it will redirect me to the studio.vakx.io, which is LLM orchestration IDE. And let's create an account over here and click on login. So if you don't have an account, then click on the register over here, or you can just continue with Google or your GitHub account. So once you are in this studio, you will see nice UI over here, and you have a small amount of balance over here to experiment with this studio. but I recommend you to click on this recharge and recharge it with the 850 rupees if you are in India, or if you are overseas in the different country, then it's $10 only, and it's a pay as you go. So if you're building some serious kind of application, then I recommend you to click on this link and complete the uh, procedure. But for now, let's move on. So in this tutorial, we have covered all of the references, and in the next tutorial, we will start building our AI application without writing a single line of code. So I'm really excited, guys, for you, and you are also excited. I hope so. So let's meet in the next tutorial.